So this piece of fabric you can see here is 12 inches by 6 inches. So I'm going to fold in this way. So this second piece of fabric is 12 inches by 3 inches. So this piece of fabric here is 1.5 inch and then 6 inches. So I'm going to take this fabric, the first and the second one I folded, and merge them together and merge. I'm just going to take 2 clips to hold them in place. I'm going to flip this to the other side and I'll get the midpoint. So the length of this fabric here is 12 inches, so the midpoint should be 6 inches. So I'm going to give you a mark at the midpoint and possibly use a ruler to mark a line so you don't make a mistake when folding. So from this edge, so this is the midpoint, I'm going to take it and fold it over to the side. I'm going to take it a little bit across this line you can see here. All right, I have this, I'll take the clip out. So I'm going to do the same thing to this other side. I'm going to fold it and make sure it crosses just a little bit from the line, and make sure here we have a lap. So I'm going to grab my needle and thread. So I'm going to sew some loose stitches along this line. So once I'm done stitching, I'm going to pull my thread to get the midpoint together, and I use same thread to tie around it. Once you're done tying, you just look for a way to tie off to form a knot and then cut off your thread. It's time to attach either a clip or a rubber, whichever one you have. So I'm going to be attaching a rubber to this bow because I want to use a rubber. Okay, I'll put some glue there and fix the rubber. So guys, it's time to introduce the other little piece that we folded earlier on. Okay, I'm going to use my thread to attach this to the rubber and the bow. All right, so once you're sure it is strong enough, you fold it around the bow. Cut off the excess, put your gum, and that's just it for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below, and feel free to let me know the videos you'd like to see here on this channel. Until next time guys, stay safe, keep crushing. I'll catch you all in my next video, and bye.